Farming, often considered a traditional and labor-intensive occupation, is transforming into a lucrative and innovative business with the potential to generate millions. Thanks to advancements in technology, access to global markets, and a growing demand for organic and sustainable products, modern farming offers numerous opportunities for substantial profit. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore how you can make millions from farming by adopting smart strategies, leveraging technology, and scaling your business effectively. 1. Choose the right type of farming. The first step in building a successful farming enterprise is choosing the right type of farming. There are several profitable agricultural ventures, and your choice should be based on market demand, climate, soil conditions, and your interests. Here are a few high-profit farming options to consider. A. Crop farming. Crop farming involves growing crops such as grains, fruits, vegetables, and cash crops like cotton or sugarcane. High-value crops like organic vegetables, specialty herbs, and exotic fruits can yield significant profits when sold in niche markets. Diversifying your crop portfolio by growing multiple types of crops can also reduce risk and increase earnings. B. Livestock farming. Raising livestock, such as cattle, poultry, sheep, or pigs, can be a highly profitable business. The global demand for meat, dairy products, and eggs continues to grow, providing an opportunity to meet consumer needs. Specializing in premium products like grass-fed beef, free-range eggs, or organic dairy can command higher prices and appeal to health-conscious customers. C. Aquaculture fish farming, also known as aquaculture, is one of the fastest-growing sectors in agriculture. Farming fish like tilapia, catfish, or shrimp can be highly profitable due to the increasing demand for seafood. With controlled environments and advanced technologies, aquaculture reduces the unpredictability of wild fishing and offers consistent yields. D. Organic and sustainable farming. Consumers are increasingly willing to pay a premium for organic, non-GMO, and sustainably produced food. Starting an organic farm can be lucrative if you target high-income consumers and markets that prioritize healthy and environmentally friendly options. Organic farming also has the potential to reduce input costs by minimizing the use of synthetic fertilizers and pesticides. E. Specialty crops and value-added products. Growing specialty crops like saffron, vanilla, or medicinal herbs can generate significant income due to their high market value. Additionally, value-added products, such as making jams, sauces, or dried fruits from your harvest, allow you to sell goods at a higher price, increasing profitability. 2. Leverage technology for efficient farming. Technology is revolutionizing agriculture, allowing farmers to optimize operations, reduce costs, and increase productivity. Embracing the latest agricultural technologies can dramatically enhance your chances of making millions from farming. Precision agriculture. Precision agriculture uses data analytics, satellite imagery, and GPS technology to monitor and manage crop production more efficiently. This technology allows you to assess soil conditions, monitor crop health, and optimize the use of water, fertilizers, and pesticides, leading to higher yields and lower input costs. B. Drones and remote sensing. Drones equipped with cameras and sensors can be used to survey fields, assess crop health, and identify problem areas. This reduces the need for manual inspections and helps farmers respond quickly to issues like pests, diseases, or irrigation problems, ultimately increasing productivity and reducing crop loss. C. Automated machinery. Investing in automated machinery, such as tractors, harvesters, and irrigation systems, can streamline farm operations and reduce labor costs. These machines can perform tasks more quickly and efficiently than human labor, allowing you to scale your farm with fewer resources. D. Hydroponics and vertical farming. Hydroponics and vertical farming are innovative techniques that allow you to grow crops in controlled environments without soil. These methods use less water and space while producing higher yields. Vertical farming is especially profitable for urban farming, where land is limited but demand for fresh produce is high. E. IoT and smart farming. The Internet of Things, IoT, enables farmers to connect various farming devices and collect real-time data from the field. IoT sensors can track temperature, humidity, soil moisture, and more, allowing for better decision-making and efficient resource use. Smart farming tools also enable predictive maintenance of equipment, reducing downtime and repair costs. 3. Identify high-profit markets. To make millions from farming, you need to identify and target high-profit markets. The right market can make the difference between average profits and substantial income. Here are some strategies for identifying lucrative markets. A. Focus on niche markets. Specializing in niche products can yield higher profits than selling commodities. Niche markets such as organic foods, heirloom varieties, exotic fruits, and health-conscious products often have less competition and can command higher prices. Research consumer trends and market demands to find gaps in the market that you can fill. Exporting agricultural products. Global markets offer immense opportunities for farmers to expand their reach and increase profitability. Countries with high demand for agricultural products, such as China, the European Union, and the Middle East, can provide lucrative export opportunities. Exporting premium or specialty products like organic goods, spices, or processed foods can be especially profitable. C. Wholesale and contract farming. Securing contracts with large retailers, food processors, or restaurant chains ensures consistent demand for your products and provides financial stability. Contract farming arrangements, where buyers agree to purchase your crops or livestock at predetermined prices, can reduce market risk and guarantee sales. Organic and health-conscious consumers. The demand for organic, gluten-free, non-GMO, and locally sourced food is rising rapidly. Targeting health-conscious consumers willing to pay a premium for such products can significantly boost your profits. Obtaining organic certification or adhering to eco-friendly practices can differentiate your products in this market. Fourth, scale your farming business. Scaling your farming operations is essential if you want to generate millions. As your business grows, so should your efficiency, productivity, and output. Here are some key steps to scale your farming business. A. Expand your land or operations. Acquiring additional land or leasing more fields allows you to increase crop production or raise more livestock. If you're involved in aquaculture or indoor farming, investing in larger facilities or expanding your infrastructure can enable higher yields. B. Diversify your farming activities. Diversification reduces risk and increases revenue streams. Consider adding new crops, livestock, or value-added products to your portfolio. For example, if you primarily grow vegetables, you could also start a livestock farm or produce organic fertilizers for additional income. Invest in human resources. As your farm grows, it's essential to invest in skilled labor and management to ensure smooth operations. Hiring experienced farm managers, agronomists, and technicians can help optimize productivity and reduce inefficiencies. Providing ongoing training to your staff in new technologies and farming techniques can also enhance your farm's performance. D. Apply for government grants and loans. Many governments offer grants, subsidies, and low-interest loans to encourage agricultural development. These funds can be used to invest in equipment, infrastructure, or sustainable farming practices. Research available programs in your country and apply for financial assistance to support your growth efforts. Making millions from farming is possible with the right approach, innovative thinking, and a focus on profitability. By selecting the right type of farming, leveraging modern technology, targeting high-profit markets, scaling efficiently, and marketing your products effectively, you can turn your farming operation into a thriving and highly profitable business. Farming is not just about working the land. It's about smart planning, financial management, and strategic growth. With dedication and the right strategies, you can achieve remarkable success and build a multi-million-dollar farming empire.